Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your TI-84 plus CE not graphing. So if I hit y equals, you see that I have 2 minus x squared typed in. But if I hit graph, there's nothing there. So go back to y equals, hit y equals, and move the cursor using the left arrow onto the equal sign and hit the enter button. And now you see that the equal sign is highlighted in black. That means now that it will graph it. So let's go under graph now, and sure enough it graphs the equation. Similarly, if you wanted to turn off a graph, let's type in another one, 2 plus x squared, and you're going to turn the first one off, just go on it and hit the equal sign, and once you see that the equal sign is no longer highlighted, it will not graph that equation. So go under graph and you see only the new one pops up. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you haven't already, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment. You can also follow my channel on Facebook and post questions there. And until next time, take care guys.